skylines. In the past times, there were many animals and birds in our region. There were many swans, and they hatched their nestlings there. And maybe because of that, even now, there are some villages with such names as Yuski, Swan's Arms, Yuspian, a place for hatching nestlings. In the past, they drove swans into a trap, trying not to hurt them. They fed swans for some days, then the whole village gathered near the river and people let swans go to the warm countries and asked them to tell all their requests and prayers to Inmar, the master of nature. This ritual was accompanied by ghastly music.
Вань курон вяран йосез ім кваш,